No civilization will survive a time when its agricultural economy is destroyed. Low developed countries have agriculture, the last thing on their mind. Because in the past there was enough food. But now the food security is put to test by the rapidly coming climate change. Third thing is their leaders are still sitting on the sideline. Military, more important. When they talk about science, they only talk about medical science. One step that has entered in low developed countries, as countries in Africa, Asia, and South America, and more so in Africa, is the poor nutrition. People are not eating well. And soon in the future, there will be hunger. There will be famine. Because people are cutting down trees without replacing. People are overstocking with a lot of cattle. Poor breed. Poor breed has less output, but requires a lot of input like grasses and so on. A lot of oil is being extracted from Africa, going to Europe, going to America, and more so nowadays it is going to Asia, that's China. We are dumping a lot of waste materials from engines, burnt oils, fumes. Motorbikes are running with fumes, with poor environmental policies across the continent. Plastic regulations remain one of the most fucking last thing on the minds of leaders in Africa. People are dumping plastics the way they want. Agricultural staffs are under budgeted. Agricultural projects are highly corrupted by lay soldiers. Army are taking control of agriculture because they think it's about handling the oil. They forget about the lab, the technical know-how. It's important because technology, I don't know if we can handle. So, no civilization will stand a time when its agricultural economy has been destroyed. And that is it. Thank you.
To feel like grace, 'cause we've all made mistakes. If you lost your way